In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Framer. We'll start by heading over to Framer and opening the project where you want your video to appear. Once you're inside Framer, click on the page you want to work on so it opens in the editor. This is important because you want to make sure you're placing the video on the correct page before adding anything new. Next, look for the plus icon in the editor and click on it. This opens the Insert menu, where you can add different elements to your design. From there, click on Media. Inside the Media section, you'll find the video component. Drag and drop that video component onto your page wherever you want the video to be displayed. After the video component has been added, move over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where you'll control the video settings and choose how you want to add your content. If your video is already hosted online, click on URL. This option is useful when your video is stored somewhere on the web and you want Framer to pull it in directly. Just make sure the link you use points to the correct video source so it loads properly. If your video is saved on your computer instead, use the Upload option. Click on Upload, and then click Choose File. This will open your file browser so you can locate the video you want to add, select the file, and Framer will begin bringing it into your project. That's the full process for adding a video in Framer. The main thing to remember is that Framer gives you two straightforward ways to do it: by pasting a video URL or by uploading a file directly from your device. Once your video is placed, you can continue arranging it on the page to match the rest of your design.